about to go to Lakewood. You can see the flooding damage. Here's the trees and flags. It goes uphill. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. A lot of parking.
Have you registered online?
Yes.
Okay. Go to the...
But if you don't know where our people are, it looks like I was doing something because I was trying to act like I'm fitting in.
Yes. What's that?
Can I help you? What are you here for?
I was gonna get a drink of water.
Okay.
And I guess as far as the administration, is anybody here?
What did you need?
I'm came all the way from Florida, and you know, I figured since I'm here, I'd like to stop in and see how things were going with the evacuees.
Okay. You can't, we can't have anybody coming in that isn't pre-registered or something. So you can't just drop in.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How do you pre-register?
Well, talk to these men.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow night.
That's open. But right now, we've got.
I'm only in town for tonight, and then I'm leaving in the morning.
Yeah, they're signing up volunteers because we've got people sheltered, so they're trying to monitor who comes in.
Gotcha.
And the sanctuary's all up.
But there's none of the administration here of the church.
Not right now.
Oh, okay. You know if they'll be here in like the next hour?
You mean administrators
Correct.
of the church? I don't. That I couldn't tell you.
Okay.
I know. They make me smart.
What did you want to do? What?
Well,
You just want to observe?
I was hoping to meet some of the administrators and possibly see, you know, what we can do in the future. You know, from my church there in Florida.
Okay. What church?
It's a First Baptist. So, but that's not going to happen today.
Yeah, because we need a meeting. 'Cause
Yeah.
they've been here and gone. Some of them just left.
I guess we'll have to correspond online or whatever.
Yeah, or call. Or you're going to be out of town though.
Yeah, I leave tomorrow. We'll probably be back like next week, you know. But
Call their office.
I just wanted to see, since I'm here, you know, I was supposed to be here this morning, but
Yeah.
I-10 was totally closed. And you had to go all the way to Shreveport
To come around.
in 20 and around. It's like 500 miles. So,
Yeah,
well, God bless y'all.
all right,
sir.
Keep up the good work.
Can
Can I get a drink of water?
Outside?
Right over there.
We can't come in without, but I'll get you some
Well,
water.
Is there water outside?
I'll get you water. I'll
Okay.
get you water.
Yeah, I just need to get a drink and go to the
Would you
bathroom.
like a food?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm just thirsty. So we can't go to the bathroom?
You can go to the bathroom. Yes.
Yeah, just whatever, yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you. That's just what I need. Thank you. Yes.